Job of the day, we are doing a bearing service, checking brakes on this triple axle dump trailer. Just looking at shackle links look good, rockers look good so far. I got a little bit of exposed wiring on the breakaway cable's bad, so I'll change that out. But I'm gonna do bearings, tear everything down, check brakes. Let's get after it. Passenger side's up in the air, let's get these tires off. Plug is bad, so I'll change that out. See if it has connections that we can still test. This rear tail light got hit, but it works. Good. Okay, marker lights work. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Rear locked up. Front not locked up. Oh, wires are broken, that's why. Okay. Looks like brakes are in good condition other than it being broken on the back. Brake is in good condition on this side. So the hubs look like hubs are in great condition. That one's good, and rear is good. Seals are blown out, but we can fix that really fast. This is my front hub, this is my rear hub. Let's get new bearings in here. Seals on passenger side are all blown out, every single one, so let's change these out. Hubs have new bearings, new seals in them. I'm gonna put them on. It's got an easy lube, spindles. All right, brake works, perfect. So I just need to wire it in. All right, bending tang washer, passenger side rear. Bending tang washer, middle passenger side. Bending tang washer, passenger side front. Front hub is packed, tang washer is bent. Middle is packed, tang washer is bent. And lastly, rear, tang washer is bent, hub is packed. Alright, brakes on the front are on. Everything's wired up. I need to get those wires up and out of the way of the axle itself. Alright, front axle brake is wired. Everything's good. All brakes work. I'm putting tires and wheels back on this side. Our tires and wheels are on passenger side. All suspension is flipped correctly. All brakes are wired in. Let's do driver side. Tires and wheels are off on driver side. Shackle links look good. Rockers look good. So I'm just going to change the bearings out on this side. The brake on the front is also disconnected. Let me see if it's connected on the rear. And the rear is disconnected, so I got to wire up the brakes. And this is driver side. A couple seals blown out. This is like a new seal, but I don't know what happened with it. But all new bearings, new seals are going in. Front axle magnet's good, perfect. And rear brake is on, magnet is holding, good. All right, back in place, good. Let's get all these hubs on. Front tang washer bent, middle tang washer bent, and rear tang washer bent. Everything's free spinning. Cool, let's pack these hubs. Front driver side hub is packed, tang washer is bent. Middle tang washer is bent, hub is packed. And driver side rear tang washer is bent, hub is packed. Dust caps are on. This trailer isn't even wired on this side, and there's no wiring for the axle tubing. There's no hole for the wiring for these axles, so I'm gonna have to just run it across, zip tie it to the tubing itself, and then tie into the brakes on the other side, so this side is gonna work. Let's get to it. Axles are all wired up. We got free spinning on the front, free spinning on the rear. Both sound good. Front is locked up, rear is locked up. Perfect. Now let's get all these tires on. New breakaway kit's on, shrink wrap and butt connectors, and then I'm zip tying everything together. I did find a 7-way, so I'm gonna put that on. New 7-way plug installed, tail markers are on. Rear is on, good, good, and front marker is on. Right turn is on and working. Left turn is on and working. Let's check brakes. This is free spinning, front locked up, rear locked up, perfect. All right, everything works. Now let's torque lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. Let's do the rundown on this. New breakaway switch on the front, new 7-way plug, new bearings, new seals, new grease on every axle. All brakes work and wired. I had to rewire everything for the brake. They're all working, all lights work. Shock links and rockers are fine, didn't have to touch those. Now this job's done and I'm on to the next.